If you already have a good set of DDR5 RAM, you might be wondering one thing. Do you really need the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 Light Enhancement Kit? I tested it to see if it actually makes sense. And honestly, this is a pretty interesting little upgrade. First, let's clear something up. This is not a normal RAM kit. It's a lighting enhancement kit designed for compatible CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 memory. So you're mainly upgrading the look of your system. Installation is simple. You place the light enhancement pieces onto compatible Vengeance modules. Then you connect everything through CORSAIR's ICU software. And this is where the kit gets interesting. The RGB lighting looks clean. It gives your RAM a much more premium appearance, especially if you have a glass-sided case. The lighting can also be customized through ICUE. You can match it with your fans, cooler, motherboard, and other RGB components. But there is one important thing to remember. This kit does not magically make your computer faster. You are not getting more RAM. You are not getting higher clock speeds. You are not getting better gaming performance. The upgrade is almost entirely visual. So is it worth it? If you care about aesthetics, I can see the appeal. A clean RGB setup can completely change how a PC looks. And this is a simple way to make compatible Vengeance memories stand out. But if you only care about performance, I would skip it. Your money would be better spent on faster RAM, more RAM, or another component that actually improves performance. Overall, I think the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 Light Enhancement Kit is a nice luxury upgrade. It looks great. It is easy to install, but it is definitely not essential. For a gaming PC focused on looks, I would consider it.